guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel and Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making candied pecans right in our Ninja Foodi grill. You guys, look at them. So good. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more videos on the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. We're gonna go ahead and dive right in. If you're interested in any of the items that I use in the video, be sure to check the description box below. Let's start. So what we're going to need today is 1 pound of pecan halves. You'll also need egg white of 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and this is ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of white sugar, and then I have a bowl that we're going to be using to mix the ingredients. So this is what we'll need. We'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is, using the bowl that we have, it's just an empty bowl, you're going to mix your sugar, your cinnamon, okay, and your salt. Alright. Place this to the side just right now. You're going to want to mix this really well to make our cinnamon mixture here. And this is what we're going to use to coat the pecans. So you want to mix it really well, otherwise you're going to have like pieces where it's mostly cinnamon or mostly sugar. So that's why you want to mix it, and I'm using a fork. Alright, now what you're going to want to do is add your water to the egg white. And you're going to want to do this until it's frothy. So you're going to want to mix this until we start to see that it's frothy. And you can use a mixer if you want, but I'm just doing this right now. It's starting to get frothy here. Alright, so we'll be back once it's frothy. Alright, so I have my frothy white mixture here. So you can see it's just more bubbles. Just a lot of bubbles, but it is liquidy, so don't worry about that. Alright, so first what we want to do is add our egg white mixture to our pound of pecans, because this is what's going to actually make the sugar stick to the pecans. Just coat it evenly. Once it's coated evenly, we're going to go ahead and start adding some of our sugar, our sugar mixture here. Make sure we get it evenly spread amongst all the nuts. Just add as you go. It smells so good. Add the remainder there. Just keep mixing. Trust me. Mix, mix, mix until it's evenly spread. And I'm lifting as I go. So I'm digging underneath, bringing the bottom ones to the top so that we're coating all of the nuts evenly, okay? And this is what your mixture will look like. Let's see if I can, that's pretty clear there. Alright, so to preheat, you're going to turn on your grill. We're going to select bake, at 250 degrees. So I'll go down to 250. And then you're going to want to do this for about 45 minutes to an hour. We'll leave it as an hour. Alright, so our grill is ready. I just have the base pan here. I have these perfectly cut sheets. These are 9x13 sheets that I'm going to be using. They come in a box of 200 sheets, and I'll have a link for them in the description. But they make life so much easier. So we're going to go ahead and add our candied nuts here. Oh, and be careful, you guys, because I just defeated the whole purpose of easy cleanup. Okay, so spread it out. Make sure you get all of them. And we're going to want to toss them every 15 minutes so that they cook evenly all around, okay? Alright. In 15 minutes, we'll be back. Alright, so we're at the 45-minute mark. 15 minutes in, look at how gorgeous they look. You guys, it smells amazing in the house. The whole house smells like the cinnamon sugar. It smells amazing. You just want to mix them up. And spread them evenly again. Another 15 minutes. All right. So just mix them up again. And you're going to want to do this every 15 minutes. So 2 more times total. Coming near an end here. Just mix them up. I mixed up with here, but just in case. Alright, and I won't do this every 15 minutes on camera, but 2 more times and then we'll be back at the end result. So the candied pecans are done. The way that you know that they're done is that they're browned evenly across all of them, and that's just what they are right now. So this is a quick, easy way to make candied pecans in the Ninja Foodi Grill. You guys are it smells so good. It honestly smells so good. Now, I can't eat them because of my braces right now. My teeth are very sensitive. But quick, easy way to make them. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more videos on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. And happy holidays, you guys. You guys have a great night.